Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the methods to join admin server on Roblox. Okay, first of all guys, you can add Blocks Finder extension to your Google Chrome. You can open up your Google Chrome and then you can search for this extension, Blocks Finder extension, join anyone on Roblox. Okay, and then you can install this extension on your Google Chrome, and I have already added this extension to my Chrome, and then I'm going to show you guys. Okay, and here for example we can join Jandal, the admin of Grow Garden, and I'm going to try to join Jandal's server. Okay, then you can open up the Roblox website, go to roblox.com, and then you can sign into this website, and then I'm going to go to Grow Garden. Okay, and then we're going to select server, and here we can try to find Jandal server. I'm going to type in Jandal like this, and I'm going to activate this menu, repeat search until found, and then we just need to click on find. Okay, and you can wait until you can find the admin server on Roblox. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.